This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.